Hey guys, so today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make $10,000 a month using 30-second video and a callback team. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what this program is and how I drive traffic to this program and how I'm making all these sales. Okay, so guys, before I move ahead, let me just go ahead and show you the commissions that I've been making recently. So here you can see $2,000 commission. I made this $2,000 commission from high ticket affiliate marketing, and then you can see there is one more $1,000 sale. So I made this $1,000 sale from the high ticket program as well. Here is another $2,000. So all these $2,000 and $1,000 commissions are coming from the high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you what this program is about and how you can get started. But let me tell you a very interesting thing about this program is that they give instant commission payout. Okay, so there is no waiting period like in some other program. Your commissions are hold for like a week or 2 weeks, but here there is no waiting periods and the commissions are from $100 to $2,000. Okay, and the commission is 100% as well, and you can add any payment method you want. Okay, you can add Stripe, bank account, Cash App, Venmo, Wise, Apple Pay. So you can add any payment method that you like and you get that commission in those payment methods, right? So guys, the step one is create a free account. So what I will do, I will put the link down below this video, and once you will click the link you will land on this page. Okay, so you have to create your free account here by filling this form. Okay, and after that you will land on the back office of this program. Okay, so as you can see here, it says that welcome back Vicky. Okay, and it says your package, mastery package. So I'm on the mastery package. Okay, and this is the back office of the program. Okay, and if I click on the products here, I can get access to my product under the mastery package. Okay, and if you click here, you can see the affiliate links. So these are the affiliate links that you can promote to make sales, right? A very interesting feature that this program has is callback team. Okay, so what they do, when you get leads, the company call them, okay, and close the sales for you. So you don't have to message your leads or run behind your leads, and this feature is very helpful if you are just starting or if you do not have much time every day. So the company call your leads and close the sales for you and you make commissions, and they do not charge anything for this feature. Okay, so now the question is, guys, once you have your affiliate link, how you can promote the link and make sales like me. So what you're going to do, guys, you gonna use my 30 seconds video method. Okay, so you will create 30 seconds video and put it on Insta and TikTok as free traffic source, and from there you will make the sales. So let me show you what this means. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a 30-second video on Instagram or TikTok, and here people have commented, let's say training. Here you can say training. So all these peoples are asking for information, okay, by commenting training. So what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna create similar videos, 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, and you're gonna post them on TikTok and Instagram, and people will watch your videos. Okay, and they will comment like this, and you can give them your affiliate link. Okay, and they will go through your affiliate link, they will sign up, and you will make sales. Okay, so this is the method that I use as well. So of course you will have the affiliate link there like on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, so this is a very easy method, guys, using free traffic to make these sales. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, the first step is create free account. Okay, the step 2 is activate your package either at $1,000 or $2,000 package. Okay, and then step 3, message me on Facebook and I'll help you with my 30-second video traffic method. Okay, so to make money with this method, to make money with 30-second video and sales closing callback team. You have to follow these 3 steps. Okay, once you have done these 3 steps, then your system will be up and running and you will be able to have some traffic and you will be able to make some sales. So go ahead guys, do these 3 steps and see you inside.